Hey there, welcome back to our channel Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to log into Shift2Work. It's a very quick and simple step. All you gotta do is follow along and you'll be logged in no time. First thing first, open up your preferred web browser. I prefer Google Chrome, so we'll stop there. And type in Shift2Work logins. We're going to log in and hit enter. And here, make sure you tap into the official site, which is this one right here. And you'll be greeted with the login page. You might want to zoom out a little bit. And there you go. All you gotta do is type in your information. Let's type in our username. I'm typing random numbers and letters. I'm typing random words, but then you make sure you tap in your actual username and your password. Now, yeah, if you forgotten your password, you don't need to worry at all. You can tap in that option that says forgot password. And that's it. All you gotta do is hit that login button and you'll be logged into your Shift2Work account. That's it for today's video. Logging into Shift2Work is as simple as that. If you have any queries, don't forget to comment in the comment section down below. We'll be more than happy to help you with that. For watching, and we'll see you in the next video.